What can happen 36,000 times every second? Do you know? Now, before I answer that question, let me bring up another. What makes one ink cartridge different from another? Now, these may look the same, and you may even think they perform the same job. However, there is a difference. It's what's behind it and also what's inside it that makes it stand apart. For example, a typical HP ink cartridge contains about 500 ink nozzles. Each one's about 1/3 the width of a human hair. When you hit print, an integrated circuit routes instructions to these nozzles. Pulses of energy create a superheated vapor bubble that forces microscopic ink droplets through the nozzle and onto the page at the equivalent of about 50 kilometers per hour. And that's what happens up to 36,000 times every second. It's not easy. In fact, if you were to recreate inkjet printing, taking it from a microscopic scale up to a human scale, you'd have to stand on top of a 30-story building and be able to drop a nickel into a bucket on the sidewalk below. Yeah, it's not easy. So, what's in each one of those microscopic ink droplets? No. Actually, HP ink contains a unique proprietary formulation that includes a colorant, surfactant, polymer binder, humectants, anti-curl additive, anti-coagulation additive, preservative, chelation agent, buffer, and co-solvent. With this complex formulation, printheads require less servicing or maintenance to deliver the quality and reliability you come to expect from HP. Any other formulation, even a slight change, may cause reliability issues where the ink is used to recover bad nozzles instead of hitting the paper. Failures like physical blockage in the nozzles, electrical degradation, altered colors, and reduced image permanence. HP minimizes these problems by tightly controlling the quality of each ingredient, by putting dyes through multiple purification steps, and by utilizing a proprietary process to fill each ink cartridge. You really need to understand and appreciate all that goes into design, develop, and creation of an ink system. It's not a simple feat. In fact, it takes about 1,000 prototypes before an ink system is perfected. And every HP ink cartridge is backed by ink scientists and chemists with more than 500 years of combined experience and hundreds of millions of dollars invested annually in printing and imaging research and development. The technology, science, and testing developed and implemented by HP add up to an investment in quality and reliability that you and your customers come to expect from HP.